We just hit 1 million subscribers! Thank you so much for all your support and for learning Japanese with me. Hopefully you're enjoying this learning journey. But when we reached 1 million, I thought, can you guys say 1 million in Japanese or even bigger numbers in Japanese? Because for me, actually, translating the numbers from Japanese to English is such a, I don't know, it's challenging. And I think you can say the same thing vice versa. So I'm gonna make it very simple. And at the end of this video, you can say 1 million or even bigger numbers like billions in Japanese, even if you don't know how to say 1 to 10 today. So without any further ado, let's dive into it. Now let's start from 1 to 10. And if you know how to count 1 to 10, just skip to the next chapter, alright? Now I'm gonna say all the numbers 1 to 10, so please repeat after me. And it's very, very important you actually say it out loud, alright? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10. Alright? Now you might be wondering, 4, 7, 9, why do they have two different readings? The ones in the left are the most commonly used, and the ones in the right, like 4, 7, 9, they're sometimes used with some certain counter words, such as 4月 April, 7月 July, 9月 September, or 7時 7 o'clock, 9時 9 o'clock. Another interesting fact is when Japanese people count up from 1 to 10, we use 4 and 7. For instance, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But then when we count down from 10 to 1, we use 4 and 7, just like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you have any Japanese friends, just ask them to say them and then they will use the different ones. Anyways, those are 1 to 10. And you might be wondering, when do you use kanji numerals and when do you use Arabic numerals? So kanji numerals, we use it for vertical writing generally, whereas Arabic writing is mostly used for horizontal writing. Kanji numerals are used for mostly like formal documents like legal letters and also like newspapers, for instance. It's also used for novels when it's written vertically. And Arabic writing is used for everyday use. For example, casual communication or writing dates and also phone numbers. Alright, now make sure you remember 1 to 10 so that you can say 11 to 99 really easily. Now let's learn how to say 11 to 99. And it's gonna be pretty simple. All you need to know is 1 to 10. So for example, let's say 11. 11 consists of 10 plus 1. How do we say 10? 10 is right here. It's 10. So 10. And then 1 in Japanese is 1. So 1. Now you have it. 11 is 11. 11. Let's practice with another one. Let's do 18. 18 consists of 10 plus 8. 10 again is 10. 10. 8 is 8. So 18 is 18. Alright, let's do more. How to say 20? 20 is 2 tens, right? So 2 is 2. 2. 10 is 10. So 20 is 20. 20. Now let's do 35. 35 is 3 tens plus 5. So 3 in Japanese is 3. 3. 10 is right here, 10. So we got 30 for 30. Now we just add 5. 5 is 5. So we got 35. Now how do we say 99? It's 9 tens plus 9. 9 in Japanese is 9. 9. And then 10, we already know, 10. And then 9 again is 9. So we say 99 is 99. Oops. Okay, so let me give you guys a quick quiz. How do we say this number? 3. 40. What about this? 3. 78. Last one. What about this? 61. Did you get that? Now moving on to the next part. Now next one is 100. 100 in Japanese is 100. We use this kanji. If we follow the same pattern as we counted 11 to 99, you'd think 100 to be 100, right? However, for 100, you don't have to say 1. So 100 is just 100, simply 100. From 200, you'll say the number. So here's the list. Let's say this together. Repeat after me. 100, 200, 300. Now, did you hear the sound changed a little bit? It's not 100, it's 100. So one more time. 300. Next one. 400, 500, 600. Now make sure you have the mora, little pause in between. 600, 600. And then next one. 700, 800. This one again, the pronunciation changes a little bit. 800, 800. And then last one, 900. And the common mistake that I hear is saying 100, 100. It's not 100, it's 100, 100. So here's another quiz. Alright, so how do we say this number? 150. Now again, remember we don't say 100, it's 150. What about this number? 230. Alright, last one. This number. 850. Did you change the sound? 800. Now next part is thousands. Thousand in Japanese is sen, sen. And then kanji we write this. 1000, you might want to go 1 sen. However, again, just like 100, you don't have to say this 1. So it goes just sen. From 2000, some of them change the sound. So let's take a look at this and then repeat after me. Ready? Sen, 2000, 3000. You heard it right. It's zen, not sen. Zen. 3000. Next one. 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000. This one changes the sound. Give a little pause. 8000, 8000. And then the last one, 9000, 9000. Okay? So again, be careful with 3000 and 8000, 3000 and 8000. Let's do a little quiz. How do you say this number? This is the year that I'm filming this video. Ready? It'll be 2024. 2024. And what about this number? 3500. 3500. What about this? 8888. Did you say that right? Before we move on to 10,000, I really want to thank you guys for 1 million subscribers. So I've created this guide, numbers guide, that you can download for free. So please find a link in the description and download the numbers guide. So let's get back into the video. Now, 10,000. You might think, this is easy because we've learned up to 1,000. So it's just 10 is 10. And then 1,000 is cents. Haha, it's easy. 10 sen, right? I got it. This is actually wrong. So Japanese counting system is completely different from English or other languages. I'm gonna try to make it simple for you guys. When you count in Japanese, the comma in numbers really don't help. So I'm not gonna write the comma from here. And in Japanese, we group 4 digits together. That's why I said the comma doesn't help. And then we have a new unit for this one, which is man. Man. Okay? So this number in Japanese is 1,000,000. And for 100 and 1,000, you didn't have to say 1. But for man, you'll have to say 1. So it'll be 1,000,000. 1,000,000. So what about 20,000? Again, let's group by 4. So it'll be 2,000,000. 2,000,000. Let's skip to 70,000, right? Again, group by 4. So it'll be 7,000,000. 7,000,000. Now let's do even bigger numbers. What about this? Now again, we group by 4. So what's left here is 10. So it will be 10万. 10万. Let's do more. Now next one is 1 million. Da da da. Draw the line after 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's left here is 100. 100 in Japanese is 100. 100. So you can say 100万. 100万. Okay? And then let's add another 0. Group by 1, 2, 3, 4. For 1000, we'd say 1000, right? So it'll be 1000万. However, when 1000 is in bigger numbers, we tend to say 1000万. 1000万. Let's practice more numbers, and I'm gonna use this chart right here. This is the chart that I actually have in my mind whenever I count Japanese numbers. It goes from the right to left, and from the lower digits to higher digits. So, 1, 10, 100, 1000万, 10万, 100万, 1000万. And then the next unit is 億. So 1億, 10億, 100億, 1000億. For example, so 500,000 in Japanese, 1、10、100、1000万、10万. So it will be 50万、50万. Now you see how to use this chart. Let's do one by one. What's this? Let's review. It's 1. What about this? It's 21, right? What about this? 321. And again, 300, 300 changes the sound a little bit. It's not 300, it's 300. Next one, let's add 4. It will be 4321. Now you know. What about this? Then we would go 5万. We use this 万. 54,321. Adding more. 65万. 65万4321. Adding more. 765万4321. Another one. Let's do up to 9, okay? 8000. Again, it's a review. We changed the sound to 8000. It's not 8000. It's 8000. 8765万4321. Did you get it? Next one, we haven't touched this unit yet. After 8 digits, we have this new unit called oku. Oku. So we have 9億. And then the rest is the same. 9億8765万4321. Alright? Okay, so let's do even bigger numbers. So let's do this. What about this? So this is actually 1 billion. 1 billion in Japanese is, so we have 10 left, so 10億. 10億. Okay, so let's use this for a quiz. So how do we say 999,994? Ready? So it's 1、10、100、1000万、10万. So group by 4. 99万9994. Did you get that right? What are the other numbers that are fun? Okay, so if you know how to tell your annual salary in Japanese, please leave. So let's do this number right here. Do you know what this is? This is actually the area of Japan. Group by 4, and then we have 37 left. So 37 in Japanese is 37. And then we have man. So can you say this all together? Ready? 1, 2. 37万8000. And then if you want to say the square kilometer, you can say 37万8000平方キロメートル. Did you know that the whole Japan is actually smaller than California? 豆知識です. Okay, so what about this? Do you know what this number is? This is Japanese population. So can you say this number? So follow this chart, alright? So we start from 1億. Okay, so the next 4 digits will be 2443万. And then the last 4 digits would be 9151. Now you know how to count 1 to big numbers like billions in Japanese. And again, don't forget to click the link in the description below for free numbers guide in Japanese. And it will show all the chart that I used in this video. So yeah, go ahead and click the link. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. またね。最後まで見てくれてありがとう。